Welcome to Car Info Update. Today, we are excited to explore the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota camper van. This versatile and adventurous vehicle promises to deliver freedom, flexibility, and fun on the open road. Let's dive in. Design and features. 032 to 30. Visuals of the Toyota camper van's exterior and interior appear on screen. Host. The 2025 Toyota camper van boasts a rugged and aerodynamic design with elevated roof for increased interior space, large sliding side doors for easy access, spacious interior with premium materials and advanced technology, large touchscreen display with navigation and connectivity, advanced safety features, including rearview camera and blind spot monitoring. Inside, you'll find comfortable seating for up to 4 people, convertible bed and dining area, fully equipped kitchenette with refrigerator and stove, bathroom with shower and toilet, powertrain and performance. To 330. Visuals of the Toyota camper van's engine and performance features appear on screen. Host. The 2025 Toyota camper van offers two efficient engine options, -2.0 all-turbocharged gasoline engine, producing 228 horsepower, 2.5L hybrid powertrain, producing 200 horsepower. Both options come with a 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. Technology and safety. 330 to 430. Visuals of the Toyota camper van's technology and safety features appear on screen. Host. The 2025 Toyota camper van features advanced technology and safety features, including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, wireless charging and smartphone integration, voice-controlled infotainment system, trim levels and pricing. 4:30 to 5 o'clock. Visuals of trim levels and pricing appear on screen. Host. The 2025 Toyota camper van will be available in 3 trim levels: base, starting at around $40,000; mid-range, starting at around $45,000; top dash of the dash line, starting at around $50,000. Conclusion. 5 o'clock to 5:30. Closing shot of the host. Host. That's a wrap on the 2025 Toyota camper van. This versatile and adventurous vehicle promises to deliver freedom, flexibility, and fun on the open road. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on Car Info Update. Subscribe for the latest car news and information. Outro. 5:30. Outro music starts playing, and the host appears on screen with a friendly smile. Host. See you in the next video.